Hello, welcome to Ravenox DIY. This is a holiday edition. Today we're going to be making a Ravenox Twisted Cotton Rope wreath or centerpiece, however you want to use it. Super simple, super modern, uses the red twisted cotton rope with the little sparkle strands in it, some white ornaments. Super easy, just need hot glue. Let's get started. Alright, this beautiful wreath is made with Ravenox Twisted Cotton Rope. It's a red with glitter strands through it. It's really pretty for the holidays. Just a box of white and gray ornaments from Walmart. This is typically for flower silks from Michael's or Joann's or Walmart. Hot glue gun, scissors to cut the rope. Alright, let's get started. Pick a spot that you want to be the front. So this will be the front. There's a little flat spot, so that'll be the back. And we'll just start on the back with the hot glue gun. A generous amount to start. And then put the rope kind of at an angle. We'll let that dry for a second. Okay. Now the rest is just going to be weaving it around and around and around. Take a little bit of tape. There's electrical tape, you can use scotch, or not scotch, you can use masking, and this will keep the rope from unraveling when you cut it. And we'll take that off when we get, and then simply Alright, so let's get going. So for the first few, I'm gonna do a little bit more hot glue just to get it going. And just keep a nice tight wrap. Unfortunately, on the front, but it will cover it with that all in there. You might need to add a little more hot glue in the end just to keep it in place. Again, we'll cover it. Look at that. How cool is that? You can keep it simple, just a beautiful rope, or you can decorate it. Typically take the little, the silver part off, and then we'll kind of tuck it in. Any excess glue off of there. So this is our Ravenox Twisted Cotton Rope wreath slash centerpiece, and it's sturdy and it's pretty. Enjoy.